Gara-garaan lang gani. Nag-joke-joke lang ta. Seryosohin agad. Iwan ko, hangin ba ito? Or ano, inutot ko naman ito. Inutot ko, kinalibang ko na.
Now, this is my wife when she's driving. She's talking back to the radio show.
I'm not talking. I'm listening, Papa Jack.
You know why? I will sell our house. I buy this house.
Good morning, Philippines!
I can't even sleep here. Tignan nyo. Kami ni Tami, ayaw na namin matulog dito. Good morning, guys. 5 o'clock na. Ayaw namin matulog dahil, look, sino naman yung natutulog dito? Dito ako sa gilid, pinakagilid talaga. Kasi look, kalukuhan ito. Ayaw ko na sa earth. Ganito guys, Habs start to lie down here because he liked the bed. Hey, good morning, Leonel. Good morning, Mitch. Good morning, Leonel. Gustong gusto talaga niya yung bed, oy. Anyway, good morning. Andun si Tami sa labas. Ayan, ang daming labahan guys. Oh, grabe. Ang dami ko pang i-edit na video. Ang dami pa. And isauli din namin ngayon yung whole truck na nirentahan namin. Isauli namin. Malapit lang naman dito. Meron silang, kasi pwede mo siyang mag-rent ka kahit saan and then pwede mo siyang i-drop sa ibang location. Kakain ako ng leftover. Gusto ko ng rice. Gusto kong pagkain na real food talaga. Go baby baby. Samahan talaga tong tigwahon. Si Roxy, aalis lang kami guys. Sa uli namin yung yung U-Haul andun 11 o'clock dapat andun na yan. Kasi mag-charge sila kapag overtime. 24 hours lang kasi. Hindi ko pa alam yung time. Tignan nga natin. 9:53. I will follow you.
I gotta get gas, so you know.
Oh, I'm gonna get gas too.
Okay.
Ano na pala tong gas ko? Pass half tank na pala kasi ano. Andun na siya. Susunod lang ako sa kanya guys. Susunod lang ako sa galaw niya. Susunod. I have my wallet, cellphone, camera. You're there. Hi, good morning guys. Ito yun guys. Hindi nga ako nakapagtapos ng paglalaba. Ang daming labahan. And also, hindi din ako nakapagtapos. Hindi ko rin natapos yung mga paglilinis doon. Ang daming labahan kasi alam nyo na labahan. Alam nyo, kahapon, pagdating namin dito, pagkatapos namin nilabas yung mga inampake namin sa isang bahay, we were planning to go to Salvation Army. Yung nag-ukay-ukay kami ni Tami at ang daming furniture at ang mura. Yung China cabinet guys, as in real wood talaga siya. And then merong 80 bucks, merong 50 bucks. So, maganda talaga siya. At saka maganda siya i-repaint. Ang ganda. Kaso, tumitingin si Tami online, nag-close sila aga, mga 5 o'clock sila nag-close. Yun, sobrang aga, so sayang. Maganda sana kasi pwede kasi gamitin namin yung truck. So yun, grabe yung kamay ko guys, sa pagbubuhat. Nag-feel na yung skin ko. Ang kapal na yung skin ko. What are you wearing? Hello guys, bumalik kami sa bahay kasi kailangan kong kunin yung laptop ko kasi kailangan kong magtrabaho. Kailangan ko talagang magtrabaho and wala tayong nagaw-gawang. Kasi kahapon hindi ako makapag-edit kasi na-busy and then also ngayon punta na naman kami sa ina niya. Ibigyan ko si Bianan pang lunch niya. So yun, so tapos na kaming nag-drop ng yung truck. So sabi ko kay Tami, mag-stop tayo sa bahay kasi dalhin ko yung laptop. Kasi para may matapos din ako today. Bukas na yan. And also, later on guys, ihatid ko pa si Tami sa isang bahay. Lo. Ihatid ko si Tami sa isang bahay para, kasi walang sakyanan, wala siya sa sakyan, diba? Sabi ko, magbaktas ka na lang, magbaklas. Sabi ko, mag-ano ka na lang, mag-hike. Maglakad ka na lang doon patungong bahay kasi hindi kita ihatid. Sabi pa niya, shoot me now. Gara-garaan lang gani. Nag-joke-joke lang ta. Seryosohin agad. Kalukayan. Konting pagkain lang kay Bianan. Ano yun lang. So ngayon, itong pagkain ni Bianan. Ilagay natin ito para hindi ito baliskad. Mag-stop din kami sa tindahan na may earbuds na headphone. Earphone. Yeah, para kasi kapag mag-edit kasi ako doon and then kung dadalhin ko yung pinakamalaki kong, di ba nakita ninyo yung pula na malaki kong yun, ang pangit, dala-dala ko ang laki. Anyway, so yun lang guys, and ang dumi-dumi ng sasakyan ko, kalilinis ko lang nito, pero ang sa labas kailangan talagang linisin. Masakit yung ko guys, yung sa gilid ko, sa left side ko, hindi siya, parang nasa post-on area, pero mostly nasa left side. Masakit siya kanina pa tong umaga and then yung sakit tumatakbo-takbo pabalik sa left to right pero mostly sa left talaga. Ngayon sa left, iwan ko hangin ba ito or no, inutot ko naman ito, inutot ko, kinalibang ko na. Hindi may bastos talaga ako, hindi naman yan bastos, o natural life naman yan, life yun ay hindi yan bastos, yun yung reality sa buhay. Ikautot mo yung ikalibang, okay na. Hintayin lang natin si Tamimoy kasi ang tagal, parang babae yung asawa ko guys. Well, nasa family nila yung nasa family nila yung matagal matapos. Tumakbo si Mister. Why you tumakbo? I don't know, I'll do it. So why you tumakbo? Why you run away?
My stomach hurt. Well, I ran to beat the door.
No, we can lock it here, you know that. See you later, guys.
I still like to do that.
Say hi to everyone. You don't say hi to them.
Bye guys.
Okay guys, dito tayo sa tindahan. Oh, special.
Little fire pit.
No, we don't need that.
It's a little fire pit.
$60 now. But they have nice hats over here too, and look. Oh, nice. Magkano kaya to? Magkano ba ito? Nice. $4. Oh, look at that bag. How big is that? Oh, look at that bag. This one right here, bag. Yeah, I can fit over there with my puppies and the kids. Nice. Oh, it's nice to get Amelia with this one. Look, Amelia, Han. For Amelia. Han, can you get me for Amelia, Han? That blue and the light pink for the baby, guys.
This one right here. No, next one.
No, not that.
This?
Yeah.
Is that wireless?
Yeah.
How much is this? $4.
I'm
It's just-
not sure how it works. I mean, if you want to check it out.
No, it goes into a card reader. It doesn't go to a headphone jack.
Oh. Thank you.
Cute, guys. Walang bag. You don't give me bags. Huh? Guys, it's a cheaper. It's a dollar store, so you don't expect any kind of. You don't expect any. Han, this is not for our laptop. This is not for our cell phone. This is not a
Not
light.
for your cell phone.
Your cell phone is lightning.
No,
too.
it is not.
Oh, it's not? Okay, open it. But look, that's for the cell phone.
Right.
Yeah, it's good.
Both of them?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Charge yours. Charge yours. Things on.
How much charger I use?
I think 100 now. Done.
Hey guys, don't close my window, I'm smoking. Guys, this is my wife when she's driving. She's talking back to the radio show.
I'm not talking. I'm listening, Papa Jack.
She's listening and talking.
I'm reacting.
Yeah.
Papa Jack guys at saka Kara News ah. Magandang Kara. Andun do close ang ito.
I just felt like doing that.
Hi guys. Just listening Papa Jack here. Papa Jack tayo guys. Ang saya guys.
Papa Jack Pizza.
Papa Jack, oy, really? Yes, this shit. Should talk.
I don't talk to radio shows.
To the vlog.
Oh, well.
Yun din, pero kayo nagpadala. Pero yung flowers, hindi ko alam.
Alright, I stop in your segment.
si gandang Kara guys, tumawag yung ex niya.
I can see me.
You can see you.
I'd rather not see me.
I love you. Nagluluto siya ng hotdog niya. Tigidi dog. I-undo kasi nag-ano siya. Hindi siya mauga. Hindi siya ma-dry ba? Kasi nag-ano siya, naglukot-lukot. Wala kasi kaming pang ano ng dryer yung bula. Kaya paminsan basa siya. Kailangan talaga tignan. Look who's cooking. Cooking some hot dog. Over there,
Okay,
Do you have enough?
I'm sure.
I don't know you smoke that much.
It must be one of those things you forgot in life.
Guys,
Well, forgetting.
he is very insulting to me and you should know that by now. They are very insulting, hon. I'm not forgetting, I'm not old.
And you're forgetting a lot of things lately.
That's a normal thing. People forget. You forget a lot too. What are you kidding?
People, I don't forget like that. People forget.
I'm going to drop my husband. When I look in your eyes, baby. Ito tayo guys, ShopRite tayo, mag-grocery. Nice. Pineapple. Oh, watermelon. For you to eat? That one there. Yeah.
$6.
$6. And how about this thing? Oh, this one right here. How much is this? This is $12, and there's a lot already. Look, let me see how much is this, guys. Can I get this? $4. Jackfruits. I want this, pero ang mahal naman ito ay ano to? $5. I'll get this. $5. So we pick up like a hot food and that. And what else you got? Turkey? You get some turkey? No turkey?
Let's see if they got turkey.
Okay, I'm gonna get some pork. What is that?
Cornish game hens.
Oh, we did it before with mom in the house. Okay. So guys, I wanna try this and ito din siya. Yay!
Price on those.
Ha? Ito guys, oh look. S'mores chips. Ihoy! Ihoy man ito. Ihoy! Okay guys, so this is my kind of aisle. Looking for the rice. The Jasmine one, they have the big one. The 24 bucks. Ang mahal ng rice ko guys. 24 oras. Paborito ni Tami. Okay guys, tapos na kami dito. So, uuwi na kami. Kakain. And then, tapos na, uwi na tayo. Yung focus ng camera ko guys is nasisira na talaga yung focus. Hi guys! I am here in my mother-in-law's house. Para daw ito si Tami no, bumili iwan ko. Hindi ko na lang anuhin kasi nairita na ako sa nakita ko dito. Hi guys! Tapos na kaming nag-dinner. Yeah, I'm going home. Say bye-bye to them.
Hi guys.
Hoy, don't forget my thing, huh? My litter, huh?
Yeah.
That's it?
I don't know. You tell me.
Ah, hala. Damit in damit.
What about the chickens?
Chickens, I'll bring it because we cook it when you're there Thursday. Skanky. Guys, ang dilim-dilim na guys. Mamiss ko lagi itong lugar na to dito ba? Han. I hope I become a millionaire.
Oh?
I hope I have a lot of money. You know why? I will sell our house. I buy this house.
Yeah.
No, I love our house. This one, there's no space at all.
There's plenty of space if you actually clean this house out.
It's a lot of space, but it's so tight. Like, it's, everything is a small space.
Yeah, but you can redo the rooms or something, make bigger rooms. It was done that way, but in those days, that's the way it was.
Everything is
Love
so
you too.
tight. Big house, but it's everything is so
Yeah,
small.
because at certain points, different things were important. The important thing was having a big living room for entertaining, big basement for entertaining. Now it's different. You know, the kitchen's supposed to be small, bedrooms are supposed
the
to be
master
small.
bedroom is small.
That's right. That's
And
the way it
nowadays-
was.
Now it's big. The biggest
That's
thing.
right. But years ago, that was supposed to be small. It's just
The
everything
basement
changed.
is bigger. I mean, the basement is nice before when your mother and father.
Beautiful before.
I love you.
Love you too, hon. Drive careful.
Yeah.
You need water to go?
No, I'm good.
Sure.
Yeah.
I fill my bottle with ice and water. You can take it.
No, I'm good. I'll talk to you later.
Remember, you still got stuff in the trunk too, right?
Yeah.
And vegetables and stuff. Don't forget.
I'm leaving that guy.
Anything else, hon?
That's it, hon.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think? I'll see you Thursday.
Love you, hon.
Hey, you
Drive
go-
careful. Call me. Let me know you're there.
You go to bed early. Don't stay long over there.
I'm not. I'm going up
You're
there.
early tomorrow.
I know. I'm going up.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye. Okay. And I am home. I'm home. So, ilagay ko tong mga gamit sa loob and okay, lagay natin ito dito. Good night na guys. Kasi ano na, oh? 10:06. 10:06 ng gabi. 10 o'clock na. And natulog na tayo. Itong rice, ilagay lang natin ito dito sa taas. Oh my God. Para hindi kainin ni Habs. Kasi mahilig yan si Habs mag-ano ng mga ganyan. Bubuslutin. Anyway, so I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching for today's vlog. Please like this video if you like. And subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Salamat, guys! Ay, may ano pa dito. On pa yung okay natin ito. Yan. Ano yung anyway, yeah, ang dami ko pang gawin dito sa bahay. Pero matutulog na ako, guys. I will see you bukas. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Good night, guys.
Come on.